Easter Bunny got me a jump rope, toothbrush. How do bunnies tie?
How do bunnies lay eggs? How do bunnies make clues?
I would just pull it like a normal.
You asked the wrong question.
They have paws.
Yeah.
Good point.
How do they lay eggs? How do they make clues that fit in those eggs?
I don't know. I think they just.
How do they write stories?
Honestly, I think they have a typewriter. Because you're old.
Ah, a typewriter would work.
Excellent experiments. Look at that.
What is that?
Science to the max.
Oh, that's cool. Looks like
He's gonna go. Okay.
it looks like everyone is a different science experiment in each egg.
That's cool.
Oh, and Mom, this is a new toothbrush. Electric.
Why would he give you a new toothbrush?
I don't know, it says Super
Electric.
Mario on it. on the
Super
side.
Mario spin
You're gonna need
brush.
it
I
after
need
all
one.
all the candy you've been eating.
Is that a maraca? Shake it.
No, it's not maraca.
Oh.
You know those squishy mini toys? That's what's in here. I like them. 2 new water guns.
Right.
I wonder what this is. Gemstone dig kit.
Ooh.
Dig up your own gemstones.
That's pretty cool.
Cool.
And you dress up like me as an archaeologist when you do it.
Okay. This is a cube that you squish,
Huh. So like a Rubik's Cube?
but it's heavy.
Like you're gonna try to squish it.
Well, I think he's in the preview stage.
Okay. Jump rope.
All right. With bunnies on it.
I like it.
So you can hop like a bunny. Lots of... That's why you need the toothbrush.
Exactly.
Is it
Finger
sunscreen?
paint soap.
Huh. That's kind of... It's
From the
Peeps.
I thought it was toothpaste.
And it's like Peeps inspired or
Good thing you
something.
read the label.
Yeah, those
Kisses.
meat and
Gross.
eat kisses.
And Crazy Aaron's thinking putty super scrub.
It's super scarab and it's the original and the best.
A soothing study aid, a fun fidget tool, a imaginating starter. That's what it says on
Imagination starter.
that. Oh, this is a bath bomb.
Oh, that's like
Yeah.
donut.
Bath bomb.
Oh, yeah, it's like a donut, like a peep.
Looks like a peep.
Yep, that's it.
That's cool.
Cool basket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool basket tray.
Oh, those are fragrant.
I can hold this with my Nerf guns. What does this smell like? Smell that. Oh my god, I'm going.
Ooh,
I'm going!
this is not food. Do not eat.